In celebration of Oklahoma Gardening's 50th anniversary this season, we are announcing a challenge to our viewers. It's a Plant a Row challenge. If you're familiar with the national campaign of Plant a Row, you might recognize it as an opportunity to give back to your local community. Plant a Row has been a program that's been recognized by many of our previous hosts here on Oklahoma Gardening, and we thought it would be a great opportunity to bring it back. This year, when you're planning your garden season, we hope that you take us up on our challenge and plant an extra row of produce that you can then donate to your local food pantry. It's a great way to give back to your community. In order to kind of keep track of how much produce you guys are giving back to your local community, we ask that you go to our website and fill out a form. We want to hear about your donations and even see pictures if you're willing to send them in. And to sweeten the pot, for your donation, we are going to enter you into a raffle to win a new garden tiller. So again, you got to go out to our website and fill out that form. For the past 50 years, Oklahoma Gardening has been educating viewers about gardening, and we thought what better way to celebrate that knowledge than to give back to those who need the food the most. We hope you join us in this Plant a Row campaign. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.